This video is on I can add integers using counters. I'm going to be using the same link that you will see in your assignment. You will have this link here to use the counters red and yellow. Red stands for negative, yellow stands for positive. So if we would have the problem, negative 9 plus 9. Then my first number here is negative 9. So I'm going to have to use 9 counters. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I am adding 9 positives. So since I'm adding 9 positives, I have to put 9 positives. Now I have to make what we call zero pairs. Zero pairs is a negative and a positive together. So I'm going to get my pencil and I'm going to circle a negative and a positive. That makes a zero pair. I'm going to circle this negative and a positive. This negative and a positive. And I'm going to keep doing that until I don't have any more zero pairs, until I cannot put together a negative and a positive. So in this case, I had 9 negatives and I had 9 positives. So that means that I have nothing left. So my answer has to be 0. Because I grouped all these together in zero pairs. So that means that I have nothing remaining. So my answer is 0. Let's try another one. What if I have 5? Let me make that 5 look a little bit better. 5 plus negative 7. My first number is 5. It's 5 positive. So I'm going to use 5 yellow counters. I am adding 7 negatives, so I have to put 7 negatives. Now I have to make my zero pairs. My zero pairs are a negative and a positive together. So here I have a negative and a positive, so I'm going to group them so they can make a zero pair. I have another negative and a positive, another one, and I'm going to keep doing that until I do not have any more zero pairs. So if you look here, I'm left with 2 negatives. You cannot group 2 negatives. It must be a negative and a positive. So since I have no more positives to group these two with, my answer is negative 2. Because I'm left with 2 negative counters. Let's try one more. If I have 8 plus negative 3. Well, let's do negative 8 plus negative 3. My first one is negative 8, so I'm going to put 8 negative counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm adding negative 3 counters. So again, I have another negative, so I have to keep using red. 1, 2, 3. Then that's when I start grouping. Do I have anyone to group? Remember, in order for me to pair, I need to group a negative and a positive. A negative and a positive make a 0 pairs. If you notice here, I don't have any positives, so I cannot make any 0 pairs. So all of this here is my answer. So I need to count how many dual counters do I have left. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my answer is negative 11 because I have 11 negative counters left.